Thinking about installing a heat pump or ductless heat pump in your Bangor Maine home? Awesome! There's just one name to top your list: Dave's World. You can look, but you won't find a more experienced heat pump installation company. What's so great about Dave's World? Over 11,000 heat pump installations and still counting. 19 years of experience. Locally owned, family operated. Efficiency Maine qualified partner. Mitsubishi Diamond Contractor. While other contractors might treat your home with a one-size-fits-all heating and cooling system, the team at Dave's World knows better. They know that homes come in all sizes and layouts, so they'll make sure to match the right HVAC system to your needs and ensure a professional heat pump installation by a Bangor Heat Pump Contractor that has been properly trained and certified. Mitsubishi has a broad product selection of heat pumps, so you can add comfort to one room, one area, or the whole house. Ready to find out if a heat pump or ductless heat pump is right for your Bangor Maine home? Awesome! The first and most important step is to make sure to hire the right heat pump installation company. Get peace of mind with Dave's World, where you can expect an awesome experience from the first time you call to the final installation. Based in Dover-Foxcroft, Dave's World provides award-winning service throughout Central Maine, including the entire Bangor Maine area. Call 207-802-1029 today.